Window replacement. Westlake Hills TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Austin residents can significantly reduce their energy bills. Double-pane windows in Austin TX are particularly popular for their ability to provide superior insulation and noise reduction. For those in Westlake Hills, window installation services offer a range of options, including custom windows tailored to fit unique architectural styles. Vinyl windows in Westlake Hills TX are a top choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Window contractors in Westlake Hills are skilled in providing high-quality installations that meet local building codes and standards. Window replacement in Austin, Texas, is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's window glass replacement or window frame replacement, Austin Window Services ensure that your windows are in top condition. Residential window replacement in Austin is a popular service for homeowners looking to upgrade their homes with modern, energy-efficient solutions. Window maintenance in Austin TX is vital for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular window sealing in Westlake Hills can prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Window upgrades in Austin, Texas can include new window hardware in Westlake Hills TX to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Window caulking in Austin is a simple yet effective way to improve insulation and prevent air leaks. Window insulation in Westlake Hills is another critical service that helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Window styles in Austin TX vary widely, allowing homeowners to choose designs that complement their home's architecture. Window design in Westlake Hills TX is an art that combines functionality with aesthetics. Accurate window measurements in Austin, Texas, are crucial for ensuring a perfect fit during installation. Window replacement. Westlake Hills TX requires precision and expertise to achieve optimal results. Window glazing in Austin TX is a technique used to enhance the thermal performance of windows. Window tinting in Westlake Hills TX offers additional benefits such as UV protection and glare reduction. Window cleaning in Austin, Texas, is an essential service for maintaining the appearance and clarity of your windows. Window safety in Westlake Hills is a priority for homeowners, with options such as safety glass and secure locking mechanisms. Window consultation in Austin TX provides homeowners with expert advice on the best window solutions for their needs. Whether you're considering window replacement Westlake Hills TX or need guidance on energy-efficient windows in Austin, professional consultation can make all the difference. In conclusion, Austin Window Services offer a comprehensive range of solutions for all your window needs. From window installation and replacement to maintenance and upgrades, Austin and Westlake Hills residents can rely on expert window contractors to deliver exceptional results. Whether you're interested in custom windows in Westlake Hills or double-pane windows in Austin TX, the right window services can enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and value.